So in this video, we'll be working on how to get input from a scanner. So remember, first thing, Java project, and we're just going to call this scanner. And then just since these are simple ones, I call this just main package. Main package. All right, and then after you create a new main package, create a main class. And main class is just, you can call it anything you like. You just want to collect this public static void because that's where our program starts from. So we finish, and we have this class, and we have a place to start our code from. So the first thing we need to do is, remember back in our other video, we have system.in as the place we need to get data from. So the first thing we need to do is we need to create a scanner. And scanner is our little friend who will help us get data from the console into a variable. So scanner and my scanner equals new, and new is just a keyword to tell us that we're creating a new one, and we're creating a new scanner, and the place, what you put in here is where he wants to get data from. So that's going to be system.in. So now that we've done that, there's one error. You just come over here and import scanner. So now that we've imported scanner, we're going to continue. So we've created Bob, and his job is to go to, he is now set to go to the system.in for data. So now we just need to create a new variable. So we're creating a string name, and we're going to set it equal to, and then we're going to tell my scanner to go do something. So my scanner is saying, basically making a shout out to him and saying, hey scanner, do something. And then after the dot is what we're going to have him do. So there's a lot of options of what we want to make him do. So we're just going to have him get the next line right here. And then to display it, we'll just do syso, syso, and then if you hit control space, fills it all in for you. And then we're just going to be like, hello. And then instead of hello, we're just going to put name. So this is great. We have created a scanner, we get some input, and we say hello, whatever the person's name is. The only thing we're forgetting is before we get our input, we need to put system.out.println, and we just want to say, please enter your name. So these 4 lines of code, run it. Please enter your name. Bob. Hello, Bob. All right, perfect. So the next thing we want to do is just to show that we can have scanner do multiple things. Another thing I forgot is once you create scanner, you eventually, once you're done with your program, you need to fire him because he's going to cost a lot of money to pay to pick up system.in and place it over in variables. So we need to fire him. And how you fire him is you just tell him, and then you just close him. So he's like, hey dude, this is hey dude, and this is you're fired. But before we fire him, we want him to do one more thing. I mean, we know we're going to fire him, so might as well have him do one more thing. And we're just going to actually, we're not going to do that. Right after please enter your name, we're going to have him click something. And then we're going to do syso again. And we're going to have him say, we're going to ask for please enter your age. And then for age, it's going to be an integer. Integer age equals my scanner dot next integer. And this is true with doubles and big decimals and the like. So now we're going to do system.print hello, and then we're going to do your age is, and then plus age. So when we run it, please enter your name. Bob. Bob is just turned 18. Lucky him. So hello Bob, your age is 18. And then the program terminated. The problem with this is what happens if someone types. So first we're going to type in a name, Bob, and then it's asking for an integer age. But you have to assume that the person you're writing this code for doesn't know what to put there. So if they put 20, the entire program will crash because it doesn't know how to convert typed out letters into an integer. So you're going to either have to code that feature in, or you're going to have to just say, hey, that wasn't an integer, try again. And we'll talk about that in a later application, or a later video, which we'll probably talk about, like, look for videos talking about error handling. All right, so that's basically it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys later.